Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ladonnajanay here, and today I have this video for you guys where I styled this synthetic wig. Can you guys believe it's synthetic? No, you can't. So I'm styling this brown sugar natural hairline wig in the color Bryce. I'm going to show you guys how I created this style. I am absolutely in love with it. I love the hair now that, you know, I got over the hump, which is it being too little. And I feel like the baddest bitch. But so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I styled the wig and how it, you know, worked out for me in the end. So the wig construction, it's a light yaki. It has these beachy waves in it, which what sold me on getting the wig are the curls in it. I absolutely loved it. So I'm going to show you guys how I finessed it. But alright you guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the wig that we are going to be wearing today is the Brown Sugar Natural Hairline Lace Front Wig. It's in the style Bryce. I have it in a 1B. It looks super long. Looks like it has a little bit like a beachy wave to it. And it has like baby hair, sideburns, natural hairline. So let's just open her up. So this is what she looks like. She is very long. She is very long. She has baby hairs. The lace isn't hard. I mean, it's a synthetic wig. First touching it, it feels like it has like a light yaki texture to it. So yeah, I mean, it feels really natural. I like the way it feels. Got baby hairs in the back. You guys can see that. So yeah, I mean, so far she feels good. It's shedding already. Okay. Oops. On the side, oh, there's 3 combs on the top. So 1, 2, 3, and then there's one in the nape of the neck, and then there's adjustable straps. So now let's put it on. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. So just putting this on, this thing is tight. And I told y'all I have a big head, so this is not big head friendly. Oy. This is very tight, y'all. So if you have a big head, I don't know. Okay, there's no parting space. That's all the parting you get. Okay, Bryce. I'm confused. Cause there's no there's no parting space. All you get is this little natural hairline up here. Because if I wear it on the side, you're going to see all my tracks. Like, you're going to see all tracks. Let's try to finesse this and see what we can do with it. Other than that, I mean, the hair is gorgeous. Like, I love it. I love the the curls. It's a little tangly, but that's okay. Maybe because it's the way I put it on. I don't know. But other than the part, I love the hair. I just wish there was parting. And then this was to be a bomb ass wig, but we gonna finesse it. We gonna make it do what it do. So okay, shed. So let's see how I can finesse this wig to look like a bad bitch. Okay, so I started to, do the baby hairs using the Got To Be glue. I'm just using the baby hairs that come, with the wig, and I'm just cutting them to my liking, basically. So that's what I'm doing to make the wig look as natural as possible. This would be a badass wig if there was a part. Ooh, make me want to go to somebody's beach or something. Yeah, it's shedding just a little bit, not crazy though. Okay, so we did that. We finessed it just a little bit. What do you guys think? How do you think it came out? Do you like it? I'm gonna get up on the hairline for you. It's cute. Put it behind the ear. She's cute. Bryce. Okay, Bryce. Okay. Is this synthetic or is this Brazilian virgin hair? Okay. I like it. Do you guys? Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys will buy this hair. Do you like it? Is it worth it? I think I'm in love with this hair. You can just call me the baddest bitch. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So this hair is super long. Me sitting down, it goes to my hips. So it is very, very long. I want to say this hair is about 28 inches. This hair is super long, but I love it. The waves on it are super, super beautiful. I recommend this hair, you guys. I definitely do recommend this hair. Let me know what you think, if you would buy it. Comment down below. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm very happy with it. At first though, there was some struggles, but I'm very happy that I decided to go along with it. It came out beautifully. So yeah, I will be wearing this wig a little bit more. So alrighty guys, that was the end of the video. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of my channel. And until my next one, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye guys.